Hello, my name is Vishya Salaithong. Today I'm gonna show you how to make dimension with drawing SolidWorks. Okay, let's start. First, select the smart dimension and point it to the point. Okay, and set it to 12 diameter. Okay, and set precision to none. Next, set tolerance to fit with tolerance and set tolerance to H7 and G6. Okay, next let's move to the next dimension. Okay, select smart dimension again and select the point. Okay, set at 3 diameter. Okay, and set precision to none and tolerance to fit with tolerance and set tolerance at H7 and M6. Okay, and let's move to the next dimension. This is the last dimension. Okay. Smart dimension. Okay, set at diameter 9. Set precision to none and set tolerance fit with tolerance and set tolerance at H7 and M6. Okay, and enter, and now you have it. Fix the light point. Okay, finish it.